Every morning at Nicolet Plastics, the rising sun marks the start of our steadfast dedication to innovation and excellence. Here we nurture our most valuable asset, our people. By prioritizing their growth and well-being, we create a collaborative environment where shared success is not just a goal, but a lifestyle. Established in 1986, Nicolet Plastics began as a modest tool-making shop. Guided by a relentless pursuit of quality, we've evolved into a leader in custom contract plastic injection molding, additive manufacturing, and tool design. At the heart of Nicolet Plastics lies our engineering genius. With our tooling and design support services, we ensure precision at every step. Our skilled technicians are like master artisans, crafting perfect solutions with a unique blend of novelty and knowledge. Embracing the latest technologies, we rapidly produce prototype parts and tooling. Our modernization is reflected in our diverse capabilities, from tight tolerance and insert molding to specialized automated production cells. Our project management team orchestrates a seamless journey from prototype to full-scale production. Through valuable guidance in material applications, design, robust communication, transparency, and real-time updates, we meet performance requirements effortlessly. We deliver reliable, revolutionary solutions. With expertise spanning far and wide from industrial to aerospace, Nicolet Plastics offers diverse equipment, materials, value-added services, and production flexibility. Nicolet Plastics delivers the precise solutions our customers deserve, no matter their commerce or annual production needs. Quality at Nicolet Plastics is more than a promise, it's predictability. Through consistent improvement and collaboration, we provide solutions that exceed expectations, securing customer satisfaction. Our team embodies commitment, problem-solving, integrity, and collaboration. We foster trust through honest and ethical interactions while remaining dedicated to our customers, team members, and stakeholders. We identify problems, propose solutions, and execute them effectively while amplifying every voice that contributes to our collective success. At Nicolet Plastics University, we are committed to advancing the knowledge and skills of our customers and team members. This educational initiative serves as a cornerstone for learning, focusing on comprehensive training in processing techniques, material selection, tooling design, and the intricacies of injection molding manufacturing. Partner with Nicolet Plastics and experience the transformative power of collaboration, innovation, and unwavering quality. Together, we will shape the future of your products, backed by our pledge to exceptional engineering service and a personable, humanized experience.